here I am. I'm going to give the final walkthrough of the finished horizontal beehive that I made and designed, and I'm going to show you all the features that I put on it. So let's take a look. All right, from the front, like I say, I painted it white, but we'll come back to this. The front. Here are the vent holes that I put on it, and I put screen over it so that bigger animals can't get in, and this type of bug screen so that they won't come in and out, or any other bees or hornets will get in. Here's the chain that keeps the top from flying backwards. You can see the 2x4 frames here. This is all painted white with gloss exterior paint. Try and keep it nice and fresh for years to come. Here's the aluminum roof, keeping the weather off. You can see down there. Here's the back of it where the heavy duty hinges are. Put 3 of them on there. The other chain on the other side, the other vent on the other side, so that it can get cross flow through there on really hot days. Although this location is underneath tree cover, a little better, but it's right out in the opening where they'll be able just to go right out into the yard. And on the front, here is the 6" by 1/2 entrance hole, and these are the latches that I put on it so nothing can open it up. Let's open up the top. Now, I put this plywood on the top to cover up where the frames are going to go. It'll also keep it warmer in the wintertime. I numbered them just because the cuts on a circular saw aren't always even. But on the top, that's the inside of the roof. What I'm going to do there is I'll probably put some 1.5", 2" blue foam in the wintertime to try and keep them a little warmer. But this will help too. Now, this is my follower board. They can't get underneath it. Put a little handle on it to easier move it around. Plywood's kind of hard to grab sometimes. Then here's where the frames will go. Like I say, I've measured out. There should be enough room for about 38 of them, I believe. Now, on the inside, I put vent holes just to kind of allow air to go through. And I've ordered some adjustable vent holes where I can open and close them, or it even has a smaller section that's sort of like a queen excluder setting, but you won't need that. I'll put those on the outside underneath so I can do a full shut off in the wintertime or allow air to come through in the summertime. You can see I even got the bottom of it, because a lot of times when people do painting or decks or anything, they forget to paint the underside, and then they wonder why their solid deck stain fails every 3 years. It's because that moisture will come up when it's cool in the morning, and it'll settle there, and then it'll wick up through, and it'll fail the top layer. But you can see these will move around nice and easy. There's the vent hole. Like I say, I'll have something on the bottom for that, but they should have enough room to go underneath, move around, get the feeling of being a bee here for a second. Come in the hole here, and then they'll come in here. So there's a lot of room to expand. What I'm going to start with, though, if I can get one, is probably another 5-frame nook, and start building from there. But this way they can't move this way, expand when I don't want them to. They won't be able to do it. These boards will keep them from going up into the roof. And then I just grab it from the side. Shuts nice and easy. latch it up, and there it is. My designed horizontal hive. And I'll probably end by putting some kind of neat painted design on there that I'll make up, or paint a picture of a bee on there. Who knows? But yeah, this was a fun project. I would definitely make more of these. I have a couple of friends who are interested in building them with me. May even improve on this design. Maybe use notched out 4x4s next time. I have a friend who has a wood shop who'd be able to, maybe we could even do some routers. Maybe we could even, oh, I don't know, burn in an emblem on this so that they know that we built it, something like that. But I think this is a lot safer for the bees, from being more secure to being thicker so that they can insulate better, to being easier on them because anybody can access it. It's about waist height. Just get in, do what you need to do. No heavy lifting, no accidentally dropping any boxes, nothing. So I'm excited to get another beehive and see how this goes. Yeah, you can see where I oversprayed, but whatever. This is just back where the pine needles drop, so I'm not too concerned about it. But yeah, there it is. My designed horizontal beehive.